Want to efficiently track your task in Excel? I got you. Welcome back to Learn with Amna. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use checkboxes along with Countif function to track your progress in Microsoft Excel. To begin with, we need to add the Developer tab since it is not enabled by default in Excel. So here is how to enable it. Go to Files, select Options at the bottom of the menu. In the Options window, click Customize ribbon on the left side. On the right side, you will see a list of main tabs. Check the box next to the developer. Click OK and close the Options window. Now you will see the Developer tab in your Excel ribbon, giving you access to tools like checkboxes, macros, and more. Now that the Developer tab is enabled, let's set up our task tracker. I have already created a sample data here for gift tracking, so whenever we have yes or no option, or completed or not completed, then instead of typing yes or no manually, we're going to use the checkboxes to simplify our work. To insert the checkboxes, simply click on the Insert tool in the Developer tab. As you click on the drop-down arrow in the Insert tab, you will find multiple options over here. I'm choosing the checkbox option. If you would like to learn any other tool in the Developer tab, then let me know in the comment section and I will create another video on that too. As we have selected the checkbox from the Insert tool, we are going to add these checkboxes to the gift receipt column. I have created a checkbox for one cell. Here I'm just removing the text that comes along with the button. And we're going to paste it as we normally paste in all of the cells. Now it's time to link these checkboxes to the cell they are in. This tab is crucial because we'll use these linked cells for our formula. To link each checkbox to its respective cell, right-click on the checkbox, select Format Control, and then choose the cell in the Cell Link field. Now I will be repeating this process for all individual cells because if I try to copy this setting in all checkboxes all together, then all of the boxes will be linked to the first selected cell. So I have to go through it individually. Box, it will say true, and since it's unchecked, it will say false. Voila! Now our checkboxes are set up. Let's use the Countif function to count how many tasks have been completed. I'm entering the formula for Countif, giving the range, which will be all the cells with checkboxes, and the criteria will be count if it is true. Press enter, and the results will show how many tasks have been marked as completed. Since we have checked 0 boxes, it is showing 0 at the moment. Now that we have successfully added checkboxes and the formula, it is time to test our setup. Let's test our setup by checking off a few tasks. Watch as the count increases as I am checking off the boxes. And that's it. You have now created a dynamic task tracker that visually tracks and counts the completed tasks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Excel. Let me know in the comment section how you plan to use these checkboxes in your spreadsheet. See you in the next video.